FreightAmigo presents to you how to stick a tracking label correctly, place the order and complete payment on the platform. Click Download Label after payment. You can receive shipment documents instantly. Shipment documents will be sent to your email. Alternatively, you can download it from My Shipment. Important reminder: print the whole document single-sided. Place documents into plastic folder before sticking to the shipment. Barcode always face upwards. Seal 3 sides of the plastic bag and stick to the shipment. Right, left and bottom side respectively. Avoid to seal the upper side for couriers checking. Example: on the left-hand side is for the document. On the right-hand side is for parcel. Done. Courier will come and pick up at the selected time and date.